In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can access your account options and the settings you'll need for this setup. Once that menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where ChatGPT lets you manage different parts of your account and connected tools. After you're inside Settings, look for the Apps section and select it. This is the place where integrations and connected services are managed, so if you want to add something like Calendly, this is exactly where you need to be. From here, click on Explore Apps, or if your version shows Add More, click that instead. The wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but both options are meant to bring you to the App Marketplace or Integration Library. Once you're there, you should see a search field. Click into that search bar and type Calendly. When Calendly appears in the search results, click on it to open the app page. You should then see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking Calendly to ChatGPT. At this point, ChatGPT may walk you through a short connection process. If any instructions appear on the screen, just follow them carefully to complete the setup. This can include signing into your Calendly account or approving permissions so the integration works correctly. As you go through that process, take a moment to read what access is being requested. That helps you understand what ChatGPT will be able to do with Calendly after the connection is complete. Usually this part only takes a minute or two. Once the prompts are finished and the connection is approved, that's it. Calendly is now connected to ChatGPT. If you don't see Calendly right away, try searching again carefully or refresh the apps page and repeat the same process. Interface layouts can sometimes change a little, but the overall flow stays the same. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps, search for Calendly, and connect it. And that's all you need to do to get Calendly connected inside ChatGPT.